Let me share someone's life history with you. This was a man who failed in business at the age of 21, was defeated in a legislative race at age 22, failed again in business at age 24, overcame the death of his sweetheart at age 26, had a nervous breakdown at age 27, lost a congressional race at age 34, lost a senatorial race at age 45, failed in an effort to become vice president at age 47, lost a senatorial race at age 49, and was elected president of the United States at age 52. This man was Abraham Lincoln. Would you call him a failure?
Hello friends, welcome to Quickly. Today I'm going to show you how to create motivational videos online for free. The first thing what you are going to do, choose your favorite browser and search for CapCut. Then after that, choose the first option, CapCut. And from this list of options, go to this option, script to video. From this window, just scroll it down like this and choose motivational stories here. And this, you will choose your theme and then the main idea. So, and this option, theme option, you have to write anything like, if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. And then main idea, just input success. Then after that, choose this one, continue. So it is generating the script for this motivational story. You see, it is generating the story. It will generate your video based on this story. So after that, you can also add some additional stories. After it generated the script by itself, you can also add some stories. So let me add something more. In this example, additional story, I will add this story. It is the story of Abraham Lincoln. So you can add any story that can go with already generated motivational story. So let me insert it here, because this one is the conclusion. So before the conclusion, we can add this story which is supporting the story. Then choose your ratio, 9:60. This is for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, and then this one is for YouTube size. Then choose the speaker, native male. You can choose this one, or you can scroll it down and you can choose some other speakers. So let me choose this native speaker. Then after that, finally you can choose generate. There are two options coming here, smart generation and custom generation. In custom generation, you can add your own media, such as pictures and videos. But in the first case, smart generation, it creates a video by itself, by its own media and videos supporting documents. So I'll choose the first one, smart generation, but you can try the second one. I'll choose this one, then generate. So after some time, it will generate this video. Then we'll see how it looks like. You see now it is loading. it has finished. So it is created like 2 minutes and 51 seconds video. So as it is shown here, it created the video successfully. Then after that, what you are going to do, as it is shown, it created as it is shown, it has created the video wheel. What is next? Next you have to go for export, this option, then click there, then you can choose the quality. Just you can go for this quality, high quality, then export. It is exporting now, 68%. %. Now it finished. Let us download it like this. You see, it is downloading. You can also share it to YouTube, Facebook page. You can also download it. So let us go to this, and this is the script. Let us open the folder, and it is here, script video. Cut it, and let us put it in our desktop, and let us see how it looks like.
Hello everyone, my name is James Clear and I want to talk to you today about a powerful idea that can change your life. And that idea is this: if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. Now, what does that mean? It means that if you were to try 10 times what you think you're supposed to do to succeed, you would double the number of times that you would fail. Why is that important? Because most people don't try enough times. Most people do the minimum necessary to get what they want. And that's fine. That's probably enough for most people. But for the 10% that want to go above and beyond, the price to pay is so high that very few people are willing to pay it. Here's the truth. The only limit to our realization of our dreams and our ability to achieve what we want is the number of times we fail. So if you want to succeed, stop waiting for the right time. Stop waiting for the right opportunity and start waiting for the right moment. When that moment comes, you should do what you know you can do. And if you fail, fail harder. If you study history, you will find that all stories of success are also stories of great failures. But people don't see the failures. They only see one side of the picture, and they say that person got lucky. He must have been at the right place at the right time. Let me share someone's life history with you. This was a man who failed in business at the age of 21, was defeated in a legislative race at age 22, failed again in business at age 24, overcame the death of his sweetheart at age 26, had a nervous breakdown at age 27, lost a congressional race at age 34, lost a senatorial race at age 45, failed in an effort to become vice president at age 47, lost a senatorial race at age 49, and was elected president of the United States at age 52. This man was Abraham Lincoln. Would you call him a failure? Failure is the best teacher. If you want to succeed, double your failure rate, and I hope that you will find this message inspiring and helpful. Thank you.
So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.